Yep, maipit ka Pio ha.
Where's Mona?
Alam rin ni SP ah.
Bagitik means hero. Oh yeah, the river crossing. Let's swim.
Mine is kinder too.
Mine's grade 2. I'm almost to grade 3. Mine is grade 1.
Love it.
Yeah, I like. Yay, I might able to see teacher. Slay! Ah! So crappy! So crappy!
Your turtles.
Ano mga river crossing na dito?
Kasi, do you know I drive
Tawa lang naman.
a box car? Wait.
Bye!
Do you know I have a manta ray? Yeah. Did you buy that?
You mean the
Ito sino na ka na?
from McDonald's?
Yeah.
Theo has one of those, but it's at his house.
Yan.
I don't play my manta ray.
Bye.
Kasi.
Kinabuhan kayo?
Kasi. Do you know, when I was four, did you watch Bluey?
Yes.
Me too.
Before.
I like watching Bluey.
How about Bandit? He just have a pet rock.
Why Bandit has a pet rock? Let's make a project. Get a pet rock. Ah! Looks like
I want to ride there.
so cringy. So cringy. So cringy.
Tara na. Okay na.
We're in the
But you need to love your enemies, so
They can be different.
so the God will clean their hearts and become too nice.
Okay.
Like God just set up a trap for Saul. Then he became that God's friend. He become Paul.
I want to be an angel
Why?
because I like flying.
Pwede sa paano yung mga rats? Huwag mong sentuhin yung rats kasi para
It's just parked there. I think the holder is there. I saw a butterfly.
Yep, maipit ka Pio ha.
Where's Mona?
Sa Manolo. Pero uwi ka na eh. Nagliligpit tayo papa mo eh. Ano ba yan? Iwang dala kita bukas.
naman yung shirt niya. Okay naman. Terno naman yung shirt niya.
No sir.
Bagay! Bagay!
Ay, upo naman, upo.
Bakit ka, chef? Kinakabahan ka ata po eh. Ganun daw. Ganun, ganun.
Picture?
Video. Ano masasabi mo kay Tito Carlo? Birthday niya, ano masasabi mo?
Happy birthday! Sana makasama ulit sa mga ibang trail.
Dito. Ayun. Kulang sa gamit. Kulang sa gamit. Alright.
What's my name?
Galing ah, Tiraili ah. Pio, may tamahan ka Pio ah. Turn by turn. Hi! Esme muna. Oh, say cheese! Ay, ay! I'm alright. Galing nga. Oh. Ang galing na Esme ah. I'm alright. Round and round. Nagsishake yung horse. Oh no!
Esme, hold on tight ha.
Esme, have you seen the monkey?
Uy!
There's a monkey right there.
Ito. Hi, ducks. Do you want carrots? Rabbit yun eh.
Esme, pass the ball.
Lo. What will you say?
Hi.
What's your name daw? What's your name?
Shelby.
Kobe?
Kobe.
Kobe Bryant? Heart?
Mahulog. Ikaw pa nahulog.
Oh, pa yung nahulog, no? Careful!
Esme, careful.
Oh, diretso sa babayan si Esme. Nanay, show mo yung monkey, nanay. Show mo the monkey.
Oh, ayun siya. How did I get that? How did I get that? Monkey. Monkey.
Yeah, that's a bat.
Wow!
Dance, Esme.
After this, I'm gonna play
Dance. 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 Alam rin ni Esme ah. Nga. Oh? Bakit ba ginaganon? Ha? Bakit ginaganon? Papabida lang. Grabe. Tito chef talaga yan.
Mommy, watch!
Kaya ako daling tayo sa bawang. Sinisi mo pa ako. Parehas lang tayong late. Ay, sumakot. Ilang pater? Ilang bawang?
Bulalo ng Charles.
Parang nabitin ako sa patis. Patis na lang, last. Then gulay na tayo later.
Hello.
Gila. Dito, yung mais. Diyan
May
na
laglag na
pinalambot.
lang gulay dyan, no?
Hindi, yung gulay, last na yan. Kasi ano na lang yun eh. Leeks, saka pechay ba.
Akala ko pre-over na eh. Kaya nag-ugol-ugol. Oo.
Ready na.
Ganun pala yun. May na nagluto akong shake. No.
Open natin,
Dito ka. Tabihan mo si Chef. Yan. Sige. Yan. Yan. Extra
Pati ba yung pansit mo? Ha? Ay, sorry.
Closer. Closer.
Oh, reception mo itong
You know.
Hindi naman sinabi kasama.
Dahil paparazzi oh.
Dapat 2 drops lang daw.
Tapos hindi masarap eh, no? Ayun masama doon, hindi masarap. Chocolate.
May timbang din yan.
Meron.
Buti na lang sa New Zealand yung punta nyo. Dadami na yung populasyon ng mga tao doon kaysa sa baka. Tsaka balita ko may bagong batas sila doon. Bawal na daw tato.
Ay!
You enjoy your time there in New Zealand. Always keep safe with your family. Enjoy yung new chapter of your life nyo doon. Then, of course, this isn't goodbye. See you, but it's rather see you soon. Also, Chef John, thank you sa pag-invite sa amin nung weekend. Na-email ko na pala si Kapitan. Next year daw, pagbalik mo, 1 year na yung bakasyon mo para mas magamit mo daw yung jeepney mo. Hindi mo kasi masyado nagagamit si jeepney mo eh. Tapos, Boss Carlo, happy birthday. Hope you have more birthdays to come.
I'll get one. Wait. I'll get more. Baka pwede yung guideline. Guideline pwede. Guideline. Wala akong pole. Bata ba yan? Mowgli.
Ayaw naman inuwan.
Bye!
Ang dumi ng ano mo. Ano yun? Ito?
Oh.
Nung ano mo, salamin. Ayan. Wait lang. Ano si Kuya Dulo.
James, naiinom kaya?
Kasi. Besi kasi. Pero sa tingin.
Sila Piyo-Piya.
Ate.
Family pic kay ate ha.
Ha?
Family pic.
Mami.
Sa baba.
Ginabo.
Nasaan yung isang jeepney? Puti rin yun, di ba?
Umalis na. Sumabay na sa gym ni girl.
Okay.
Sa gym ni
Nakita
girl.
ko.
Akala ko kasi sasabay sa ate.
Eh, baka doon na siya inan.
Are we going to
Ito na.
picture? Good luck, Ate Kaylee, Tito Dudes, Tita Sheila, and Ayesha. Have fun there. I hope you have a good time. Bye. Tito Dudes, something my final goodbye. I hope you're going to be fun in New Zealand and find some new campsites. See you. Love, Pio and Pia. Message for you, Tito Carlo. Happy birthday! I hope I can sama you on your birthday. That's our day. See you soon. So, Chef, good luck at the cruise ship. Wish you could sama there. Bye.
Kuya Dudes, Tita Sheila, good luck dyan sa magiging journey ninyo. Mamimiss namin kayo sobra. Wala na kaming magiging tatay-nanay. Okay.
Boss Dudes, buti na lang sa New Zealand yung punta nyo. Dadami na yung populasyon ng mga tao doon kaysa sa baka. Tsaka balita ko may bagong batas sila doon. Bawal na daw tattoo. Per kidding aside, you enjoy your time there in New Zealand. Always keep safe with your family. Enjoy yung new chapter of your life nyo doon. Then, of course, this isn't goodbye. See you, but it's rather see you soon. Also, Chef John, thank you sa pag-invite sa amin nung weekend. Na-email ko na pala si Kapitan. Next year daw, pagbalik mo, 1 year na yung bakasyon mo para mas magamit mo daw yung jeepney mo. Hindi mo kasi masyadong nagagamit si jeepney mo eh. Tapos, Boss Carlo, happy birthday. I hope you have more birthdays to come. But, yung mga manok mo, ready na kaya sa birthday mo?
Bye, Tita Dudes. Bye, Tita Sheila. And especially by Ate Riley, by Ayesha. You've been a great family. But for now, bye-bye, Ate Riley and Ayesha. Sorry, we'll never meet you ever again.
No, we will.
Sorry, we'll never meet you ever again, Tito Dudes. Joke lang! Happy birthday, Carlo!
Tito!
Birthday, Tito Carlo! Safe travel, Tito Chef! Bye!
Hello, Kuya Dudes, Ate Sheila and family.
Thank you po sa lahat ng tawanan and memories. Ingat po kayo palagi.
Mami-miss ko po si Ate Rayleigh and Ayesha. Hope you have safe travels.
Wishing you success and happiness to your future new home. And shout out kay Chef, galingan mo magluto kasi birthday ni my guy, Carlo Libiran.
Thank you.
Love you all.
Bye.
Don't forget your passport.
Hello, JB74s. Yan, salamat sa party mo kahit di kami nakapunta. Sensya na, pero salamat pa rin. Carlo, happy birthday. Malamig sa February 14. Hindi masarap ang kumot. Happy birthday, Carlo. Dus, Madam Shi, nakakalungkot, malapit na yung lipad nyo. Pagbukas ng panibagong chapter ng buhay nyo. Support namin kayo dyan. For the future naman yan. Pero nakakalungkot pa rin. Ingat kayo and mga kids. Love you, JB74s. Bye! Ba't ka nagkakaray? Bakit ka kakaray? Dali. Sabi mo.
Bakit ka nagkakry? Kasi nag-miss ko si Kuya Dudes at Mama Sheila.
Hi Kuya Dudes, Ate Shields.
bon voyage. May your journey be safe and your heart be light. Safe travels. Can't wait to hear all about it when you return. Fly high and fly safe. May your landing be as smooth as our friendship. Enjoy every second. Sending you all the good vibes for a smooth trip. Would you like a more specific message tailored to a particular destination or a long-term move abroad? Putik, pati nabasa ko, sorry. Ingat! Carlo. Siyempre. Happy birthday, bro. Chef John, thank you sa pakain mo. See you next time. Humayo ka at magpakarami. Bye!
Advance happy birthday, Boss Carlo. Magpapa-breakfast ride ka sa birthday mo. At salamat, Chef Jan, at sa invite mo sa tropa natin. Salamat. Ingat.
Happy birthday, Carlo! And thank you, Chef Jan.
Brother Dudes, ingat kayo sa biyahe ni Ate Sheila at sa mga bata, ingat din kayo at mag-aaral sila mabuti. Pagbalik nyo, marami pa tayong pupuntahan na camping at trail sa pagmumotor. Ingat kayo ni Ate Sheila.
Hello, ate! Ingat kayo sa biyahe. And yung family, enjoy lang. Safe and joyful journey, La Pascual family. Ma!
Hello, Kuya Dodge and Ate Sheila. Ayun, thank you sa sa pinagsamahan sa 1 year natin na magkakasama na. Kasi nag-commit tayo dati by accident sa Camp United. Alam mo na yun, di ba? Mas ayun, thank you din sa pagsuporta sa pagbibig ni Eloy, Ate Sheila. Saka yung pagpapadala nyo sa amin ng
Embutido.
Embutido. Ayun. So, ingat kayo sa New Zealand. Tapos, good luck sa bagong chapter ng buhay nyo kay ni Ate Sheila at mga bata. At tapos mamimiss namin si Ayesha, si malambing na Ayesha, at si Ate Rayleigh na ate ng lahat ng kids. Salita ka naman. Wala malayo. Ayun, tapos Kuya Dudes, pag kailangan mo ng trabahador, gagawa ng bearing mo, PM mo na lang ako.
Thank you, Kuya Dude, sa Ate Sheila. Maraming salamat sa pagiging kuya and ate sa aming lahat.
Thank you, Kuya, sa pagiging pinaka big brother namin sa camp kay ni Ate Sheila, na always on the go, walang hinihindian, fire lang.
Mamimiss namin kayo and we are happy for you. Masaya kami na makakarating na kayo dun sa New Zealand and panibagong chapter yun ng buhay ninyo. And sana wag niyo kaming kalilimutan.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Carlo!
Huwag ka na. Ano ba?
Happy birthday, Tol! Sana, alam mo na yon, galingan mo sana, Car. Saka, ikaw, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Carlo.
Carlo, syempre. Yung tent mo, Joke.
Tent. Bang tent.
Chef, ingat sa pagbabarko ulit. Sa pagbalik mo, ilayo mo na sa daga yung gym mo.
Sa?
Sa daga.
Daga?
Oo, daga gym mo. Tapos ayun, sana maging merry palagi ikaw. Merry ka palagi.
Sana, ingat.
Thank you, Chef, sa suporta sa amin. Naway maging merry palagi buhay mo. Merry you.
Kuya Dudes, Ate Sheila, bon voyage, ingat kayo.
Happy trip! Nami-miss namin kayo.
Miss namin kayo.
Missy.
Okay, bye Ate Ayesha.
Bye, Ate Yasha. Bye, Ate Riley. Flying kiss.
Wow! Bye-bye! Nakailang take kami, nag-away kami nito. Chef, thank you! Nandun sa akin yung railings mo ha. Ingat sa biyahe. Happy birthday, Carlo!
Di na ba talaga makawat yan? Kuya Dudes, Ate She, and to the whole family, thank you for the short and very sweet na moments na magkakasama tayo. Kasi kayo yung kumukup-kup sa akin every time na nagka-camp, lalabas, or kahit dyan sa bahay nyo. Siyempre. Ayun, so yung memories, for sure we will keep. And then ayun, keep in touch. Good luck sa future endeavors sa New Zealand, and then sa kids also, mamimiss namin kayo, the whole family. Galingan nyo dun, and keep in touch. One call away pa rin ako. Tapos anything you need, tawag lang. Enjoy and bon voyage.
Hello, Tita Dudes.
Hello, Tita Sheila.
Hello, Sophia.
Hi,
and
Sophia.
Ayesha. Have a safe trip papuntang New Zealand. Good luck kayo doon. Sana mag-enjoy kayo doon. Looking forward kami makabalik ulit kayo dito sa Philippines. And yun, God bless kayo doon. De La Cruz family. We love you from Medina family. Bye-bye.
Hello,
Chef John. Maligayang paglalakbay. Safe travels. Mag-ingat ka sa barko. Galingan mo doon magluto. Looking forward na makabalik ulit dito na wood pa sa lubong. Okay.
Bye. God bless.
Bye. God bless.
Go, 1, 2, 3.
Hello, Tito Carlo, syempre. Happy birthday. Sana mag-asawa ka na para may kalaro na kami. Happy birthday. Love you from Medina family. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Ate Riley and Yasha and Tito Dudes and Tita Sheila. Good luck on your journey.
Hi
I miss you.
wishing you all the best. We will miss you.
God bless po.
Happy birthday, Carlo. Bye, Chef.
Bye-bye. God bless.
Hello, Kuya Dudes, Ate Sheila. Ingat kayo sa New Zealand and enjoy your new life. Si Riley, and si Ayesha, mag-aral kayo ng mabuti. And ayun, mamimiss ko yung kalokohan natin sa camp. And lalo na yung pagpapakain niyo sa akin, pagpapaalaga. So parang second family ko na rin kasi kayo. So mamimiss ko kayo. And ayun, ingat palate. And dito lang kami pag bumalik kayo. Bye. Boss Chef, Boss Carlo. Ayun, salamat. And happy birthday, Carlo. Advance happy birthday. Magpakabait na kayo, wag na kayong mababae.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, Brother Dudes, Ate Sheila. Good morning, and sa buong family. Wishing you all the best sa bagong journey nyo sa buhay. Sana maging masaya always ang buong family sa bagong lugar, bagong buhay na tatahakin nyo dyan sa Netherlands. Sa Switzerland. No, New Zealand, sorry. Yun, New Zealand. Anyway, more blessings sa inyo and then sa ating lahat na rin. Medyo sayang lang, medyo hindi pa tayo nagiging ganun magkaka-close. Pero malay nyo, hindi na kayo tumuloy. Na joke lang. Yung gym di pala, iwan nyo na lang sa amin ng Budol Dabber Cats. Kami na bahala mag-alaga para kung sakaling mapadaan ulit kayo sa Pilipinas, meron na kayong sasakyan ulit. Yun lang bro, and ate, and buong family. More blessing guys, more blessing. And Brother Carlo, happy birthday. And kain tayo na marami bukas. Maraming sebo, marami tayong foods bukas. And then dalhin lang gasol natin pang malakasan. Brother Chef John, thank you very much sa last wedding cater natin, and stay happy and stay single. Hindi, joke lang. Kita-kits tayo bukas. Mamaya na pala yun. Kita-kits tayo. Sana maseta. For sure maseta. Alright? Bye.
Hi, Tito Toots.
Hi, Tita Dudes!
Hi, Tita Sheila.
Hi, Tita Sarah!
Hi, Ate Aisha.
Hi, Ate Lisa!
Hi, Ate Riley.
Hi, Ate Riley!
I miss you.
I miss you, my days, Ate Lisa!
Mamimiss namin kayo. Ingat. See you soon. See you soon.
Sia. Hi, Ate Sia.
Hi,
Hi, Ate Sia. Hi,
Tito Toots. Hi, Tito Toots.
Hi, Tita.
Toots.
Hi, Tita Ilan. Hi,
What about Tito Toots?
Hi, Tita Ilan. Hi, Tita Ilan. My toes is big and toes is medium. And the little and the little is.
Yeah.
Season pa si Mono nito eh.
Pero, yun, to.
Ano?
Malamig daw, malamig. Ang lamig! Dalawang jacket ang dala ko, ang lamig kasi. Lamig! Woo! Kuya! Baby! nice toy?
Si Kuya DJ.
Ang hirap pala pasahin nito. Kailangan tapon yung doon. Ay, iba na lang. This one, you like this one?
JJ!
Look at this one, This one yung drone. Tara lang tapon mo.
Yes, pero meron kang bagong baby.
Yes, mas masarap yung drone laruin. This one, no? Wow, nice! Oh, wow! Don't listen to them, ha? The drone is better. Pwedeng boat yan. Look at that, SB. Is that you, SB? Is that you? SB, who?
Ate Rayleigh. Ate Rayleigh. Yeah? Is this a shortcut to the cave?
Yeah, that's the long cut, oh.
Yeah.
They don't know, eh.
Is there blue soils next to the cave?
We'll be in the brown soil first before the blue. No. Amerikano pong fried chicken. Yan, ito po Afrikano. Yan. May Pilipino, tsaka may foreigner. Okay. Eh, nabala ako. Picture pa more.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Tito Carlo. Yay! Bye.
Ano mo na yan, tol? Ingat.